Here we're going to look at the volume of prisms and cylinders. The whole idea of this is to find the volume of a prism or a cylinder. The only real new word I'm giving you guys today would be volume. Here we go, a couple of prisms for you. One is a rectangular prism, one is triangular. The volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. The base is a capital B, the height is a lowercase h, and the volume is a capital V. It looks like that. Capital V equals capital B times h. To find the volume of this rectangular prism, we start with the generic equation of our prism. V equals B times h. The base is a rectangle, so the base is equal to length times width. So we plug that in for our B. So we got volume is equal to length times width times height. Length is 5, width is 7, height is h. Plugging those values in, simplify it with a calculator, and you get 385 inches cubed. Remember that for volume, our units are cubed. Finding the volume of a triangular prism, start with our generic equation. So volume is base times height. The base of our is a triangle, so we got to use the equation for the area of our triangle. So 9 feet times 15 feet times 1/2. Plugging that in for our B. The height of our prism is 4, so we got to use 4 for the lowercase h, and we plug in 1/2 times 15 times 9 times 4. Simplify it, gives us 270 feet cubed. Next up is the volume of our cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is the area of the base, which is a circle, times the height of that cylinder. Same equation, V equals B times H. So if we have this cylinder here and we want to find the volume, start with our volume equation. So V is equal to pi r squared times the height, with the base being pi r squared. Replace the r with 3 being our radius and h being 12, like so. Simplify it up with a calculator, and we're going to have to round, so we get approximately 339.3 cubic centimeters. And that is the end of our slideshow.